The average person in their 20s will make over $1.2 million in their lifetime. And most of them will have almost nothing to show for it by 40. Not because they didn't earn enough. Because of 5 specific mistakes that feel completely normal, completely acceptable, until they destroy your financial future. I'm going to show you exactly what those mistakes are, and more importantly, how to fix every single one of them, starting today. Mistake number 1. Living without a budget. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. Studies show that people without a budget overspend by an average of 20 to 30% every single month. On a $3,000 salary, that's $600 to $900 disappearing every month, into subscriptions you forgot about, food delivery you didn't need, and impulse purchases that felt important in the moment. The fix is simple. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, food, bills. 30% goes to wants, entertainment, dining out, hobbies. 20% goes to savings and investments, non-negotiable. Set it up once. Automate it. Done. Mistake number 2. Having no emergency fund. Let me ask you something. If your car broke down tomorrow and the repair cost $1,500, could you pay for it without going into debt? If the answer is no, you're one bad day away from financial disaster. An emergency fund is not optional. It is the foundation of every financial plan. Without it, one unexpected expense wipes out months of progress. The rule: keep 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account, untouched, only for real emergencies. Start with $1,000. That alone protects you from 90% of financial surprises. Mistake number 3. Not investing early. This is the one that will cost you the most. Not in stress, not in sleepless nights, in actual dollars. Here's a number that will change how you think about money forever. If you invest $200 a month starting at age 22, at an average 8% annual return, by age 62 you'll have over $700,000. If you wait until age 32 to start, same amount, same return, you'll have $283,000. That 10-year delay costs you over $400,000. You don't need a financial advisor. You don't need to pick stocks. Open an index fund, S&P 500, and invest consistently every single month. That's it. Mistake number 4. Lifestyle inflation. You get a raise. You move to a nicer apartment. You upgrade your car. You start eating out more. Your expenses grow exactly as fast as your income, and you end up no better off than before. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it silently kills more financial futures than any other mistake on this list. Every time your income goes up, your savings rate should go up first before your lifestyle does. The rule: when you get a raise, save at least 50% of the increase. Enjoy the other 50%. Your future self will thank you. Mistake number 5. Ignoring your credit score. Your credit score is your financial reputation. Banks, landlords, and even some employers use it to judge you. A bad credit score means higher interest rates on loans. On a $300,000 mortgage, the difference between a good and bad credit score can cost you over $50,000 in extra interest. The fix: pay every bill on time, even the minimum. Keep your credit card usage below 30%. Don't close old accounts. Check your credit report once a year for errors. That's it. Simple habits, massive impact. So here's a quick recap. Number 1, build a budget with the 50-30-20 rule. Number 2, save 3 to 6 months in an emergency fund. Number 3, start investing now, even if it's just $50 a month. Number 4, fight lifestyle inflation every time your income grows. Number 5, protect and build your credit score. You don't have to fix all 5 today. Pick one. Start there. The best financial decision you can make right now is simply to begin. If this video helped you, subscribe. I drop personal finance content every week, built around one goal: helping you build real wealth, not just a paycheck. See you in the next one.